But if we want to only the things of the slideshow, well, then the class makes the message to see strength and agility. Just a short part of what we want the birds to fly all around the arena. And some of them really close to you. Would you like that?
Yeah, excited.
But not to worry, when the person really close to you, please do not have to reach out and touch them. Well, this is for your safety and for the safety of the birds. And number two, some of you exchange the seats at the moment. Just make sure you maintain your distance as well and maintain it within your zone, okay? Everybody, can we have the thumbs up if you already checked into your zones, everybody? Thank you so much for that comment, okay? And last but not least, just a handful of you are consuming snacks at the moment. Please tell us, as honest. So please do keep them aside, okay? The snacks is not keeping the whole time that we take this to put out your information. Okay, so just keeping all that apart and have your mouth on and your heart to the music also please be mindful yourself along the way. And last, please take note of the Facebook as well. Alright, so look at you put that all aside, ladies and gentlemen. Can we kickstart the show? Yeah, that's great. So, everybody, let us begin. Everybody give a big clap for Susie's answer, our American bald eagle. And this is native to North America, Alaska, and Canada as well, which is the emblem of the United States of America. Gorgeous bird indeed. Well, some of you can be wondering, hey John, why are they called the bald eagle when she does have feathers on her head? Well, that's because when she flies really high in the sky, her head camouflages against the white clouds. So people thought they are bald. But you can clearly see that she does have feathers on her head. Alright? And rather she is showing off you her wingspan and then going to fly right vertical flight to show her muscle strength as well. Now look at her wingspan, everybody. So you can clearly tell this is a female because females are generally larger than the male. Up to wings from 1.8 meters to 2.3 meters as well. Well, that was a very comprehensive. Now this amazing bird as well is already Susie of 20 years old this year. Now we'll take a look at that behind you there. That is how big the big nest became. Over the years, they built up from one nest over one nest and decided to put the bigger as well. So one last everybody, Susie, American big thank you, Susie. Alright, our next bird would be a one bird that likes to eat the dead animals, just like that cockatoo bird. Animals to this of the buddy.
Oh my god.
Bonjour, thank you, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at Titan.
Whoa, whoa. It's coming.
So everybody, this Titan or turkey vulture that can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. Well, the beautiful vulture species in the world, numbers way more than 10 billion in the world.
Oh, wow. Oh, thank you.
Rabbi will circle in the sky, resting on the carpet, and as soon as you stand upon the peak of the carpet, all the other vulture species will show themselves. The left is very close to the top, let you make it clear all the way down there. Okay, folks, now let's take a look at this nostril, okay? The good to see is nostril is extremely hollow. Yeah, see that? So that is the contributing factor for skin and smell way better than other vulture species in the world. Okay? So thank you for the time. All these ones, trainer, please. And now to that. Everybody, give it up for Right, so
Ah,
that
that's right over
represents an
there.
act of fact, okay?
Yeah.
Now that arrow is going to fly for you. A gentle reminder, everybody, remain seated and be as quiet as possible so you get to experience this unique ability of silent flight.
Oh.
Very good one. Did you hear any sound at all? No, okay, apart from the vocalization, they're really quiet. Well, they do have soft edges at the tip of the feathers to absorb all the sound frequencies absorbed by the both frequencies. Also, do take on as well, the tip of very gorgeous this that they need to be really quiet because of what they hunt, okay? Who knows what they hunt for at night? Mice, thank you so much, and that's exactly. So these two are classified as rodents, and of course rodents have an acute hearing as well. So the owl needs to be really quiet in order.
Oh, ang galing. Oh my God. Wow.
As one vulture descends upon the carcass, more vultures will follow.
Ah,
All
baby.
right, looks like we have more birds joining us, everybody. Take a look at this beautiful lady just right behind me. So we have one, two, three big brown ones. So those are the Cineris vulture that can be found throughout Europe and Asia. It's a very common sight in Africa, everybody, to also see vultures coexisting with the storks. So what are storks? The one right behind me, one walking past, okay? So these are the two vulnerable storks, I mean the bird, not the trainer. So these two lovely birds love to snatch meat from people as well. The interesting fact that I always show people about the vulnerable storks are these are the kind of birds that are really tactical because they always wait for grassland fires or bush fires. They usually wait at the back of the fire to snatch any kind of live animals that's trying to escape from the fire. So it's really quite smart actually. We also have the three big birds, also the really powerful birds as well. Unfortunately though, vultures are so important. They are the cleanup crew in the environment, but still they are declining, everybody. Very sadly, due to deliberate poisoning, deforestation, and many other threats as well. So we need to do our part to ensure that, of course, the numbers rise against and that they don't fall to extinction as well. Amazing birds to do. Now, of course, having seen all these amazing birds float here today, I'm very sure all of you would agree with us that these birds certainly deserve an American title, the King of the Skies. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining us today. Now, of course, we are really delighted for your patience as well in evacuating the arena in a safe and orderly manner, okay? So we will be starting one zone first, and then we all meet back. So can I check which zone are we evacuating first? That one right at the top. That'll be B2, okay? So B2, you'll be leaving the arena first. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm John once again, hope you're really entertained and well informed, okay? Thank you so much. Good day, goodbye.
Ganda.